Hold on to your seats, tech enthusiasts. The OnePlus Open, that slick, foldable sensation everyone's buzzing about, just dropped a bombshell. Guess what? It's got a secret talent up its sleeve. Thanks to the eagle-eyed Reddit user Rashed341 who spilled the beans with an electrifying video, we now know the Open is a stylus superhero. But wait, there's a twist. This stylus sensation is brought to you exclusively by the Oppo Pen, the unsung hero designed for the Oppo Find N2. OnePlus played its slay, keeping the stylus card close to its chest. No marketing drum rolls, no grand announcements. Sneaky, right? Picture this, a covered stylus menu lurking in the Settings app. It's like OnePlus had a stylus ace up its sleeve all along, a secret weapon waiting for its moment in the spotlight. Now, here's the lowdown. Ready your Oppo Pen because it's the only ticket to the stylus party with the OnePlus Open. Pair them up, and voila, you're in for a treat, writing, drawing, and interacting with the Open's display like a boss. But hold your horses, cowboy. There are a couple of caveats. OnePlus hasn't given the official nod to stylus shenanigans, so there's a whisper of caution. Using the Oppo Pen might dance on the display's nerves over time. And here's the plot twist. The Oppo Pen isn't waving the stars and stripes in the US officially. So fellow Americans, you might need some import magic. In a nutshell, the OnePlus Open just pulled a rabbit out of its hat, stylus support. But dear tech wizards, tread with caution. The thrill is real, but so are the potential risks. Buckle up for the ride because OnePlus just turned the tech game up a notch. Peace out.